Life jackets are always labeled and stamped and approved by the Coast Guard.
Diving into boating safety, the South Carolina Department of Natural Resources is at Bluffton High School leading a special boater education course, training physical education teachers from across the district how to safely navigate the water and how to pass those lessons on to their students.
There's a lot to take in on the water instead of just getting a boat and going out there. This class is designed to open your eyes a little bit of safety channel markers, what to look for, other intentions of boats than just actually get hit in the water and going out there.
Once certified, these PE teachers will take what they've learned back to the classroom, introducing students to boating and water safety through hands-on lessons and activities.
We are offering boater certification for middle and high school PE and health teachers because we offer and require second grade students in our county to take swim lessons, and we also have a field trip for all 7th graders to do a kayaking field trip. So this is a logical bridge to offering training, certification, and safety for our students around water and just in the area that we live.
Boating safety skills are essential to know in a coastal community like ours.
All over Beaufort County, we have access to water and the kids are near the water. So just being aware of their environment and how to maneuver safely and be responsible community citizens on the water.
A lot of our residents, they live on the water. Their recreational time is spent on the water with their families. The students are going out on the water, sometimes in high school by themselves, and they really need to know boater safety. It's crucial in this area.
Educators from 5 schools are taking part in the training, and the district hopes to certify more in the future.
This life jacket does not have those restrictions.
At Bluffton High School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School
That's why it's very, very important to now look at these life jackets of what you can and can't do